Hi everyone! A powerful new AI tool just launched a few hours ago, and with only a few simple clicks, you can create long, viral-style animations for your YouTube channel or any other platform you want. This tool delivers incredible power, speed, and top-tier quality. It generates your animation using Sora 2, and you can even switch the model to Veo 3.1 if you prefer. The default animation style is Zootopia-inspired, which is currently one of the most viral and popular styles online. This video is actually the very first tutorial showcasing the brand new style because it's only been about 3 or 4 hours since this tool was updated and released. You're about to watch a full step-by-step guide, and before we jump in, I should mention that this video is sponsored by Videoinu. The good news? There's a giveaway! Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment, because 3 lucky people from the comments will win a 1-month pro account gifted to you by Videoinu. Here is the Videoinu page, and as I explained in my previous videos, these 2 sections are extremely important. In this section, you can use Sora 2 completely for free. And in this section, you can create animations up to 30 minutes long. Now, this part right here is the brand new feature that was just added. It uses the Zootopia-style animation, where you get these animal characters acting and behaving like humans. I'm going to click here so we can move to the next step. In the previous parts, I showed you exactly how to get 700 free credits from this AI tool, and I'll place that video in the end screen so you can easily watch it and claim your 700 credits. Now, let's take a look at this section here. This is where you need to paste your script. I'm going to paste mine right here. This is the script I wrote that I want the animation to be generated from. There are a few settings you should pay attention to. The Smart Scripts section, which we're in right now, helps you brainstorm ideas. I already had my storyline ready, and I'll upload this script inside our Discord account, so you can use it too. Next, we have the 3D cartoon section. I'm going to click on it and switch it to the Zootopia style. Pay close attention here. This is where you choose your video duration: 30 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to set mine to 3 minutes. Then we have the video format settings: landscape for YouTube, portrait for Instagram Reels or TikTok. You can also choose your language. I'm selecting English. And one important detail: I'm using the Pro account, which allows up to 20,000 characters in my script. Make sure to check your limit and adjust your script details accordingly. Now, I'm going to click the Create button, and we'll wait just a moment for it to process. The speed is incredibly fast, and it takes us straight into the next section. Here, based on the script we submitted, the tool has generated 4 different characters for us. If these characters match your project, you can download them right away. But if you're not happy with them and want new ones, simply click Regenerate, and it will create fresh options for you. If you want to design a completely new character, just click on the character and you'll see the little Generate Edit icon. Click on that and you'll enter the character creation page. There are so many fun character styles here. You can choose any one you like, click on it, and then hit Confirm. In the My Character section, you'll find characters you've previously created. You can select any of them and confirm as well. Or, if you want to build a brand new character from scratch, click the Create button at the top. For example, I'm going to create my cat character here. I'll type in the name. Let's call her Melos. I'll set the gender to female, choose the category as human, and then pick an age group: child, young adult, middle-aged, whichever fits your vision. This section is where you need to paste your prompt. I'll be pasting all the prompts for you in our Telegram channel, and you can grab them from the description below. I'll also upload them in Discord so you can access them easily. There are even more prompts available, and if you'd like, you can share your images and videos in the AI image and video section and exchange ideas with others. In the chat room, you can talk with other creators and ask your questions. Once everything is ready, your settings, your prompt, just click Generate Image. And the best part? This step is completely free, and it doesn't use any of your credits. Now I'm waiting for the tool to generate my new character. All right, it's done. My character is ready. If you like the result, you can simply click Apply. If you're not satisfied, just hit Edit, and it will take you back to the previous section so you can adjust everything again. You can even explore and use characters created by other users. I'm going to close this section for now and keep the character we just made. Next, we'll move on to generating the first image. Once we reach the image section, it will use a small number of credits and immediately start generating the pictures for us. As you can see, based on the script I submitted, it's already creating 21 images, and it does this at an incredibly fast speed. Just look at how quickly it works and how beautiful the results are. Before we continue, if you've enjoyed the video so far and still haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Your likes, comments, and tapping the hype button truly support this channel and mean so much to me. Thank you for being here. All right, the tool created all 20 of my images in less than 1 minute. Go through your shots one by one and review them. If any image has an issue, you can check the image prompt right here. You can edit it or regenerate it. And regeneration is completely free, so it will create a new version for you instantly. If you want to make additional adjustments, this AI tool also supports Nano Banana, which lets you fine-tune things like the location, style, and other visual details. Once you've checked all your images and you're sure they look exactly the way you want, it's time to turn them into an animation. Click this button right here. You'll see the full image prompt again, and then you can choose which model you want to use for the animation. Here we have Sora 2, which creates a 10-second animation and costs 150 credits. There's another Sora 2 option that makes a 15-second animation, also for 150 credits each. We also have Veo 3.1, which generates an 8-second animation but uses 700 credits. And then Wan 2.1, which creates a 10-second clip. I'm going to select Sora 2, so it will generate a 10-second animation for me. But I'm not going to convert it into an animation here. And the reason is simple. With just one single click, we can turn all of our images into animations at once. Right here, you'll see the Animate All option. By clicking this button, Sora will generate animations for every single image automatically. If you've already generated 1 or 2 animations before, you can simply uncheck them here. Or if you want all of them animated, just click Select All. This section is connected to the subscription account, so you can batch generate all your animations in one go. If you prefer using the free tools, you can download your images here and convert them with another platform. But since I'm using Sora 2 directly, I'm going to click here and confirm. It will use 3,000 credits to turn all 20 of my images into animations. The whole process took about 5 minutes, and Sora's speed is honestly impressive. It converted all 20 images into videos with no problem. Make sure to click and review each animation to check for any issues. If something looks off, you can simply remove it. If everything looks fine, you can move on to the next ones. I'll also add the final animation with sound at the end of this video, so you can see the full result. And remember, if there's any issue, you can always adjust your prompt here. It's completely free to regenerate. Then you can convert your updated image into an animation again from this section. I'm going to make a few edits here, and I'll show you the final result at the end of the video. After you've reviewed all of your images, you'll see 3 sections at the top: Content, Storyboard, and Edit. We've already completed the storyboard, and now it's time for the editing phase. Click the Next button. A new window will open. This Animate All button is the one we use to turn all our images into animations, which I already did earlier. Now I'll click Next again. Here we have 3 more sections: Cover Setting, Subtitle Setting, and Background Music. In the cover settings section, you can even design your YouTube thumbnail directly inside the platform. There are different text styles available, and you can type your title right here. For now, I'm choosing No Title. In the subtitle setting, you can add subtitles with various text styles. I'm setting this one to No Subtitle. For background music, you have a wide range of tracks to choose from. If you want to use one, just remember to lower the volume from 50 so it doesn't interfere with your voiceover or main audio. I'm leaving this on No Background Music because I prefer to add my own background audio during the final edit. That way, I have full control over the sound. After going through all 3 steps, I click Generate. Now the tool will connect all 20 of my animations together and create a polished video for me. And the great thing is, if you're using the subscription version, you can fully monetize your YouTube channel with videos made in this workflow. Now I'm just waiting for the edit to finish, and the tool processes everything with very high speed. Great! It took less than a minute for the tool to finish editing all our images and videos. Once everything is ready and you want to download your final project, just click the Save button. When you click Save, this window will pop up. By default, it's set to public, which means others can see your videos. But if you want full privacy, switch it to Private. I'm choosing Private, and then I confirm. Now we're taken to this page. As you already know, Sora gives us a maximum video quality of 720p, and that's the quality we'll be downloading right now. If you use Veo 3.1, you can export in 1080p as well. I click Download, and it downloads instantly. Now you can save your fully edited video directly to your device. As you can see, it's already downloaded onto my computer, the complete animation with lip syncing and sound effects included. Now I'm going back to the home page. I'll open the Pro section so this window appears, and we can take a look at how the subscription options work if you decide to upgrade your account. The basic plan is completely free. You can sign up and start using it right away. It gives you 300 free credits, and in the earlier video, I showed you exactly how to increase that to 700 credits. I'll leave the link for that tutorial in the description and the end screen. Next, we have the Plan section. These are the monthly subscription options. The monthly plan costs $9.99 per month, and with that, you can create up to 20 minutes of animation using 5,000 credits. For reference, the animation I made in this video used around 3,000 credits for about 2 minutes based on 20 images. Your credit usage may vary depending on how many images and scenes you create. The Pro plan is the most popular one. It's $29.99 per month, and it lets you create up to 70 minutes of video, giving you 17,650 credits each month. Then we have the Ultra plan, priced at $59.99, which gives you up to 170 minutes of video and 42,750 credits every month. And if you prefer the yearly subscription instead of monthly credits, you'll get a 30% discount automatically applied. With the annual discount, the Plus plan drops from $9.99 down to $7.99. The Pro plan goes from $29.99 to $20.99. And the Ultra plan, which normally costs $59.99, gets a full 30% discount, bringing it down to $41.99. And this right here is the final amazing result.
Tonight's the night.
Hands where I can see them, Fox. Now.
You know, officer, we could skip the paperwork if you just let me buy you dinner.
That line won't save you.
Right. Worth a shot. You're persistent, I'll give you that.
And you're running out of museum, Fox!
Then I guess I'll just make my own exits.
Not on my watch!
Okay. That wasn't me.
Stay sharp.
They've breached the west wall. 4 meters out, closing fast.
Yeah, I noticed. Big glowing guns kind of give them away.
Stay low. Wait for my signal.
Signal to do what exactly?
Step out now. Hands where I can see them.
Not today.
I don't trust you.
Same. But let's not die tonight.
We do this clean?
No surprises. Got it?
Wouldn't dream of it, officer.
Ready when you are.
After you.
On me. Corridor clear, watch the wires.
Got it. Quiet as the shadows.
2 ahead, door at 10 meters. We flank.
I'll take right cover.
On 3, 2, 1.
Gun up!
Not today!
Hey! Whoa! What the?
Stay down!
You dragged me out of my
It's
shot!
about to fry us. Breathe.
You can't hide forever!
Smoke out. When it spreads, flank left.
Cop!
You okay?
Yeah. Didn't expect you to stick around, though.
Had to make sure you did. You're amazing. You know that?
I wasn't sure you noticed.
Don't make this complicated. You know what? Forget it. Thanks.
Anytime.
And no matter who you are, you can always choose courage. You can always choose kindness. You can always choose love.